Masalahnya the
Okay.
laptop capacity is getting lower. Tomo, hi. Tomo is Tomo. Is it the first time you appear? I mean,
Oh,
where's Tomo though? Hey, how are you?
Risang nih, halo,
Gary-san.
Mister. Yes, how are you? Fine,
Hey,
I'm
Tomo.
fine, thank
All
you.
right. Thank you. Okay, welcome aboard. Thank you very much. Then let's refresh our collective memory. Last times we already learned quite a lot about several theories of communication. I cannot be on cam. I'm sorry. My laptop. Saya punya dua laptop. Yang satu rusak apa namanya itu driver untuk wifi-nya, wifi-nya. Yang ini rusak kameranya. Lah ya udah pakai yang ini aja walaupun kamera rusak, tapi masih bisa dipakai. Anyway, last week we already learned quite a lot about theories of communication. We have a linear theory, we have cyclical theories, and we have also learned about components of communication. In communication, we have to attend the sender, message, noises. Noises dibagi tiga, so remember? Ayo, noises. Ayo, so you remember? There are several noises that you have to attend while communicating. Apa noises itu apa saja? Ada physical noises, ada psychological noises. Eh? Okay. Anyway, then you might want to refresh yourself later, yeah? Then we also learn about things that we have to attend when we are communicating, especially when we are facing the public. There's several issues that we have to attend, correct? Nah, dari situ terus kita belajar levels of communication. So remember levels of communication, sebut aja satu aja. Level of communication. So remember? Levels of communication. Do you still remember Soviet?
no,
Ya, salah satunya itu ya public communication. Karena ada group communication, ada organizational communication. Alright. Okay. Ada interpersonal communication. Ada intrapersonal
interpersonal.
communication. Right?
Okay. Yeah, right.
Alright. Nah, sekarang we'll learn a bit about the practical issues of public communication. Okay? And I believe Joe been learning quite a lot about public communication because actually, as a prosecutor, you know, you've been, I believe that you've been introduced to several theories of communication or strategies of communication also. Otherwise, you cannot serve as a good prosecutor. Awesome, luar biasa, Joe. Then, have you got the access to the material yet? Yes or
Yes,
no?
I have. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Now, what's it public communication? Joe, have you got the access to the material yet?
Yes. Actually, I'm a student of communication too.
Wih,
Public.
keren. Nah, berarti nanti minggu depan yang ngajar dirimu, Joe.
Still student.
All right.
Okay. Public communication represents a distinct communicative situation where one speaker addresses a larger audience.
All right,
Yeah.
larger audience.
Yeah.
Excellent, larger audience.
Yeah, typically in
Right?
formal
What
setting,
else? Mm-hmm.
like seminars, conference, or political campaigns.
All right.
Yeah.
So remember what should be attended when we're doing public or carrying out public communication?
Pardon me?
All right, when we are carrying out public communication, kira-kira what we should attend so that the messages that we are sending will arrive safely?
The information. Okay.
Yeah.
Communicate
So what should be attended?
the message.
The message. Satu. The message should be framed in what way?
The problem.
Okay. If then you have message and you have to get the message through to the audience
Communicate.
correctly
Yeah.
what we should attend. Teman, apa kira-kira yang harus diperhatikan? Ada yang ingat kemarin? Ayo, kemarin sudah loh. Ayo. Kalau kita doing public speaking, public communication, public speaking. Alright. Seperti ini nih, ada ceremonial speeches. You speak to a big audience, right? Then what we should attend. Masih ingat nggak?
Our audience,
Is that?
our audience from the class.
Ayo, kemarin ada socio-cultural type of communication. So remember that? The socio-cultural types of communication. What is meant by socio-cultural communication? What is it then? Ayo, kita diskusi sedikit. Oh, bahasa Inggris harus jago-jago nih, yuk. I like it. I love it. The socio-cultural types of communication. What is it then?
This is for the public speaking, right,
Mhm.
sir? Maybe
Yeah.
what should we attend
Uh-huh.
for this public speaking?
Mhm.
For the first time, we must confidence.
Okay, you build confidence. You must avoid speaking apprehension. Fine. Okay, what else?
How's your audience earlier?
Yeah, remember the social cultural issues are essential or strategic in getting your message through to the audience. I'll give an example. When you are doing a campaign, you know, a campaign? Campaign is not necessarily campaigning for presidency or campaigning for a certain position, but campaigning for healthy life, for example, right? When you're campaigning for a healthy life, for example, right, you have to attend the socio-cultural aspects of the audience, right? Now, Joe comes from North Sumatra. Me, myself, is from Yogyakarta. We both bring different social cultural issues that the public speaker needs to attend. Correct? Correct?
Yes.
Right. North Sumatranese is very direct, while Javanese very much indirect. When somebody speaks too directly, then Javanese may perceive that that particular person is way too forward, too brash, too much, as opposed to when Javanese speaks. Normally, Javanese speaks not quite directly, but they'll speak a little bit, indirectly. Makanya di Jawa itu ada sopan santun, ada apa? Dimanapun ada, tapi values-nya lain, ya. Ada tepuk seliro, ada sungkan, ada dan sebagainya. The social cultural issues need to be attended. Okay? Even when you are visiting America, for example, they also carry different social cultural issues. Right? Contoh kalau kenapa bertanya umur itu tidak disarankan when you talking to an American, for example, as opposed to when you are talking to somebody who is an Indonesian, for example. Okay? Jadi nanya umur itu sangat sangat private. Okay? That's also we call it a socio-cultural issues that we need to attend. Okay? Now we'll talk a bit about public speaking. As what Joe said before, public speaking normally, in short, is defined as the transformation of information from one speaker, one person, to a big audience, big receivers, big audience or big receivers, big number of receivers. Okay. Yet, do you think somebody who will carry out public speaking will feel, happy? Or probably they'll feel nervous? Normally they'll feel nervous, correct? Nervous.
Correct.
Biasanya begitu. Okay. With various reasons. Okay, next. Public speaking can be composed of at least 3 different types. First is speaking to inform, right? Second is speaking to persuade. Then third is speaking to entertain, right? Tonight, we will be kind of mix the first and the second one, both to inform and to persuade. So, actually, at the end of the session, I want each of you to make a video recording. Then I want each of the recording to be uploaded or submitted to the Google Classroom so that the peers or the classmates can see what you have already done with the public speaking. Caranya mudah nanti ya. So first is speaking to inform. Disebutnya informative speech. Right? Second one is speaking to persuade. Right? It can be an argumentative speech or a persuasive speech or an opinion speech. The next is speaking to entertain. All right. Speaking to entertain normally belongs to the group of a narrative speech, like storytelling and others. Okay. Nah, strateginya sekarang. If you want to carry out a public speaking, it should begin with the beginning or the opening. All right? Then followed by the body of speech. Right? This one is the beginning and the body of speech. Okay? Then supporting information and so on and so forth. Then there will be closing. All right? The closing should leave a good taste on their mouth, the audience mouth. Gitu. Okay? Prinsipnya gitu. Leave the good taste on the audience mouth. Kira-kira. Istilahnya gitu ya. All right. In the opening or in the beginning of your speech, right? Then you can use different strategies. You can use different strategies from telling a story, okay, asking a question, right, to create a personal touch, or to create a mini mystery, or to tailor a certain occasion. Okay, or you might want to go with using appropriate quotations. Kan banyak sekali sekarang yang opening itu kalau di Jogja ini di perguruan tinggi Kopertisnya lah gitu ya. Itu mereka itu pakai pantun. Jadi awal berpantun, nanti akhir berpantun. Ini pakai yang ini sebenarnya. Right? So using appropriate quotations. Okay? Or you might want to use statistics, but it's supposed to be a dramatic type of statistics. Misalnya, jumlah pengangguran ternyata 90% dari, misalnya gitu kan. Very dramatic. Biasanya orang mau dengar. Nah, number 5 using jokes. Tidak semua orang bisa ini. Kalau ini specific, very much specific. Ya, yang ini very much specific. Ini pun yang sebenarnya harusnya mudah, tapi bagi beberapa orang agak sulit seperti what you have with number 5 using jokes. But data, you play with data, there are tons of data you might want to use to play. Right? Data, quotation, question, statistics, about the same. Using statistics, using data, or probably if there is a chance, you might want to start with video. Video, right? But video shall not take too long. The next, using references. Ya, menurut siapa, using references. Right? Kata siapa, using references. And go ahead with the body, how to tailor our speech. Nah, caranya ada, ini sebenarnya masuk yang ini ya, cause and effect, problem solution itu masuk yang persuasive. Ini kita fokus di persuasive ya. So, this one, actually, problem solution, cause and effect, and comparative advantages, itu masuk ke dalam jenis type of speech yang persuasive. Right. So speech to persuade or speaking to persuade, speaking to promote, speaking to campaign. That's actually maksudnya di sana ya. Karena nanti kalau yang deskriptif agak beda ya. Then supporting information, you might want to use once upon a time, the data stage number, testimony by others, and quote scholars, supporting information. And you might want to present, explain, then this one is supposed to be examples or supporting information that you might want to use. Okay? And closing to put or to leave the good taste on the audience's mouth. Then you might want to use put thesis in the opening and closing. Right? Jika maka. Jika ini maka itu. Alright. Or you might want to use a killer strategy using quotation. Yang paling mudah nih. Saying or proverbs. Then remember, in closing, intonation is matters. Harus ada disebutnya enunciation. Seperti ini. Seperti saya ini loh. Enunciation and speech. Nah, kira-kira begitu. That is strategy to close your presentation or your speaking, public speaking. Nah, kita lanjut ke yang ini. Contoh langsung aja ya, terus nanti praktek. Hold a second. Nah, kenapa tidak bisa ditutup ya? Oh, ini tutupnya di sini. There you go. Nah, there are several examples of public speaking materials. This one. Right. This is just an example. Di awal kita punya yang pendek-pendek. Right? The opening, bonding, question, using question. Then here, using problem solution. Then here, closing, using call plus quote. Right? Ini yang pendek ini. Opening, body. Nah, strateginya pakai problem solution. Kasih problem, kasih solutionnya. Then closingnya ada call plus quote. Okay? Nah, for example, ini materi malam ini saya berikan about health. Healthy lifestyle actually. Right? So here you have you ever felt too tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Or realize you spend an entire day sitting? And so on and so forth. Ini yang pendek saja, latihan yang pendek. Okay? Then our modern lifestyle suddenly harm us. We sit for hours, eat in the rush, and skip exercise. Nah, enunciation itu begitu. Jadi kalau di public speaking, Jadi harus di-enunciate, ditekan, ada yang ditekan, ada yang dikurangi, tekan, dikurangi, tekan, dikurangi. So, for example, our modern lifestyle suddenly harms us. We sit for hours, eat in a rush, and skip exercise. This leads to obesity, dan seterusnya. Gitu. That's enunciation in speech. Oke? Nah, coba dibaca sendiri aja, tidak perlu di on-kan mikrofonnya, dibaca, coba dibaca sendiri-sendiri dulu. Harus latihan dulu ya. Sendiri dulu ya. You might want to read, by yourself first. Ya, latihan diri ya, tak kasih 5 menit saja untuk baca ini. The silent killer of modern life. Right? Then have you ever felt too tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Or realize you spend an entire day sitting? You're not alone. Nah, gitu ya kira-kira. Go ahead, coba latihan diri. Okay. So I'll give you 5 minutes. Latihan sendiri ya, latihan sendiri saja dulu. Terima, you might wanna read out loud, tapi sendiri saja, without microphone on. Baru nanti saya minta coba satu-satu baca. Latihan, you might want to read with correct enunciation for each type of speech that you have on the, what is it, the caption. Hold a second. Now let's listen to you practicing, okay? I want you to try to practice. At the end of the session, I want you to make a video recording of yourself, right? Giving a public speaking on healthy lifestyle styles. You might want to create, again, you might want to create your own speech, or you might want to use this, what is it? The last of it is supposed to be longer speech though. You might want to use the longer one to create a little bit longer public speaking of video. You might want to upload to the Google Classroom. Coba baca ya. You might wanna, nanti langsung saya koreksi pronunciation-nya. Coba Joe, you might wanna read this. Use correct enunciation. This one is a persuasive type of speech, or people call it as argumentative also, or opinion-based also. Using strategy of problem solution with an opening or strategy question. And so on and so forth. You might want to try to read, and I'll correct your pronunciation right away if there is a mistake. I hope you don't mind.
Yes, okay. The silent killer of modern life. Have you ever felt too tired even after sleeping 8 hours,
Mhm.
or realize you spend an entire day sitting?
Mhm.
You're not alone.
Good.
Our modern lifestyle silently harm us. We sit for hours, eat in a rush, and skip exercise. This leads to obesity, heart
Opacity,
problems,
opacity.
obesity.
Mhm.
This leads to obesity,
Mhm.
heart problems,
Mhm.
and endless fatigue.
Fatigue,
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 fatigue. Ini
fatigue,
bahasa Prancis sebenarnya, fatigue.
fatigue.
Fatigue,
Okay.
kalau bahasa Prancis biasanya stresnya di terakhir kayak antique,
Oh yeah,
fatigue gitu ya. Ini juga
fatigue,
fatigue, ya.
fatigue. This leads to obesity, heart problems, and endless fatigue.
Fatigue,
Fatigue,
fatigue.
fatigue,
Memang
fatigue.
harus begitu. Begitu
Ya,
kan? Kayak ini loh.
fatigue.
Kalau orang Vietnam itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Vietnamese,
Vietnamese, nggak boleh Vietnamese. Kalau orang
Vietnamese,
Jawa,
Japanese.
no, nggak ada. Javanese.
Right.
Karena bahasa Prancis itu sufiksnya,
Yep.
infix-nya dia di stress,
Okay.
dengan katanya gitu.
Mhm.
So it's supposed to be Japanese,
Japanese,
fatigue,
fatigue,
and so on.
fatigue.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. But the solution isn't complicated.
Mhm.
Move more,
Mhm.
eat better, and rest well. Take a short walk after lunch.
Walk
Walk,
without L.
walk.
Walk, yes.
Take a short walk after lunch. Drink more water, and put your phone away before bed.
Going away before bed. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. As the saying goes, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Let's not wait.
Live.
Live.
Yes.
Okay. As the saying goes, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.
Mhm.
Let's not wait for illness to remind us of that truth.
Hmm.
Start small, start today.
Okay.
Done.
Now, right. If you message yourself, are you persuasive enough?
Yes.
Can you scale yourself? Are you persuasive enough?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So, next, Sylvia. Jangan. Tadi Risang ada ya? Ada Pak Bimo, Mas Bimo.
Ada, Pak. Ada, Pak.
Bimo ini juga, Mas Bimo tadi mana? Mas Bimo dulu.
Ada, Mas Bimo.
Mas Bimo. Mas Bimo juga a PhD, I think.
Yes, sir.
Mas Bimo, you are a PhD also, correct?
Yes.
You're PhD in what discipline?
Accounting in di Universitas Jenderal Sudirman, Miss.
Right. In what discipline? In what subject? In what discipline? Accounting?
Accounting, Miss. Accounting, sir.
Mhm.
Accounting.
Mhm. You're a lecturer also there?
Yes, sir.
You're a lecturer there.
Lecture
Okay.
in accounting, sir.
Oh, right. Awesome. Saya senang nih punya profesional semua, luar biasa. Risang ini Pertamina yang supplying minyak nih ya. Awesome. Dan Pak Bimo yang ngitung duitnya. Nah, nanti kalau ada
Duit
salah,
orang, Miss, sir.
dituntut
Duit
oleh
orang,
John.
tapi.
Nah, iya kan? Kalau ada yang nggak bener nih, accountingnya, nah, ada temuan ini. Nah, ini Joe yang masuk nih. Misalnya gitu. Awesome. I like it. I really like it. Pak Bimo, you might wanna, I call you Mas Bimo, Pak Bimo?
Mas Bimo aja, Miss.
Okay.
Mas Bimo, sir.
Alright. You might wanna read.
Nama
Yuk,
panggilan kecil, Miss. Itu panggilan kecil, sir.
Bimo.
Yes.
Alright. You might wanna read. Kalau saya koreksi, nggak boleh nggak ada bad feeling ya.
Ya.
Yeah. You might want to read. Have you ever felt too tired even after sleeping 8 hours? Read. Iqra.
Gimana itu?
Read out loud. Read out loud. Baca.
The silent
The silent
Tadi,
killer.
The
Right.
Silent Killer.
Ladies and gentlemen, in this very moment, I would like to present a bit, or I would like to give a speech a bit about the silent killer of modern life. Right?
The
Then-
silent
Right, yeah.
Yes, the silent killer of modern life. Ya.
Modern itu dua suku kata. Modern.
Modern life. Ya.
Modern. Modern
Modern
gitu ya. Modern.
modern
Life.
life. Ya.
Then
Have you ever fail ya?
tired. Felt. Have you ever felt?
Felt too tired even after sleeping at either ya. At
8 hours.
8 hours.
Mhm. Or
8 hours or realize ya.
Mhm.
You spend
entire day.
entire the sitting.
Mhm.
You're not alone.
You're not alone.
You're not alone.
Mhm.
Our modern lifestyle
Mhm.
silently
Mhm.
arms us ya.
Harms.
Arm us ya.
Harms.
Arms ya.
Harms. No, harem. Harem
Oh.
itu nggak boleh ya. Harms.
Berarti arms ya.
Mhm.
We sit for hours
Hours.
hours ya.
Hours.
Hours
Eat in a rush.
apa tadi? Hours
Eat
ya.
in hours. Eat in
In
a rush.
rush
And skip
and skip exercise ya. Exercise ya.
Mhm.
This leads to
Obesity.
obesity heart ya. Obesity heart ya.
Obesity,
Obesity heart problem and endless fatigue ya.
fatigue.
Fatigue ya.
Mhm.
Endless fatigue.
But
But the solution isn't
complicated.
complicated ya.
Mhm.
Move
Move
more, eat
more.
better, and rest well.
Rest well. Then
Rest well. Take a short walk, bener ya? Take a
Short
short
walk
walk
after
after lunch.
huh?
Drink more water and put your
Phone
phone
away
away
for
before bed ya.
bed. As the saying goes,
As the saying goes, take care ya.
take
Take
care
care.
of
Your body
your
is
body.
is the only place you have
Have
to
to
live.
live,
Let's
not wait.
not wait for illness to
Mhm.
remain
Mhm.
as that true.
Mhm.
Start small, start the
Start
day
small and
today.
start today.
Start
Nah,
small,
closingnya
start
biasanya
today.
thank you.
Thank you.
You might want to
Thank you,
say
sir.
thank you. Atau begini ya, mungkin ada tugas tambahan sedikit ya. Setiap sesi saya minta you note 10 interesting vocabulary. It's not necessarily difficult vocabulary only, but I want you to note at least 10 different interesting vocabulary. Nah, contoh di sini. Mas Bimo, mana yang belum tahu kata-kata artinya? Misalnya gitu, apa?
Fatigue, tadi
Fatigue.
fatigue, saya masih
Ya, endless fatigue. Rasa lelah yang tidak ada ujungnya. Lelah terus gitu. Endless fatigue. Apalagi? Tulis di situ. Then you might want to jot down. Jadi gini. I want you to do this. Hold on. Bentar ya. Misalnya gini. Sebentar. Kenapa ini tidak bisa? Ini escape-nya kok nggak bisa. Nah, ini. I'll give an example. For example, you have, hold on. I'll go with this one. You go with your Google Doc like this. Hold on. You go with your Google Doc. Nah, ya. Tutup dulu yang ini. And you might want to go to your drive first. Then you might want to do this. You go with your Google Doc. Then you might want to jot down. Here you might want to say my new, sorry, new list of interesting vocabulary. Biar belajaran lah. Sedikit ini toh, masuk sana judulnya toh. Dan you might want to list down, for example, you have one endless fatigue. Apalagi? Coba lihat. For example, you have obesity. Apalagi? Apalagi contohnya? Mas Bimo, bisa lihat di Google Classroom-nya.
Ya,
Apa kira Risang ada nggak yang mau ditambahkan? Coba.
obesity, please. Sir,
Sorry?
obesity itu
Obesity, yes. What else?
list to obesity, obesitas ya.
Obesitas, yes. What else? Hello? Yang lain coba
Silently
Rima, apa
harms.
Rima? Ada yang
Ya,
interesting
ya,
vocabulary nggak? Coba, saya mau kasih tahu bagaimana caranya nanti bikin kuisnya. Yuk.
oh, apa ya? Hmm,
Silently harm us.
Alright.
silent giver, silent giver.
An,
Saya tahu
an
kan.
entire day sitting.
Harm,
Alright, yes.
harm, ingat harm.
Read rings.
What's that?
Spend
Which one?
an and spend an entire day sitting.
Alright. Spend an entire day sitting, for example. Nah, ini contoh aja ya. Nah, ini di copy. Something like this. Then you copy. Then you go with here. You go with the ChatGPT. You go with the ChatGPT. Then apa ini? Ini ya. Okay. Then you might want to type. If you create this is multiple choice test or quiz gitu ya. Quiz out of these word and trees, for example. Okay. Then you enter. Nah, jadi something like this. Then from this, you copy like this. Okay. You might want to do copying like this. Then you copy. Okay. Then from this, you go to your drive. Then you might want to do Google Form. Okay. Then you might want to say, you might want to write down here, for example, quiz 1, Risang. Okay. Then you might want to put a question here. Okay. Then you copy this. Okay. You copy. Then you backspace. You delete it. Then you put the copy down here. Okay. Then it becomes number 1. So what term best describes a constant state of being extremely tired, often caused by stress, lack of sleep in overexertion? Apa tadi? Jawabannya? Jawabannya apa? Endless
Jadi,
fatigue. Nah, you click setting, then jadikan ini quiz. You might want to do this quiz. Back to question. Hold on. Back to question. Then you go with answer key. Then you change with 1. This one for the point. Then you select the answer. Then you go done. Okay. Then you go back to your ChatGPT again. Hey, hold on. This one is ChatGPT. Then you go in number 2. Copy. All right. Just an example. This is an example, yeah? Okay. Then hold on. Ini biar kecatat tak gini. Okay, quiz 1, Risang. Then from this, you might want to add question. Then you paste. Okay. The second question, you copy this. Copy. Then you might want to put the answer here. Okay. Which condition is commonly associated with excessive body weight and can lead to health complications like heart disease and diabetes? So which one is the answer? You click this one and you
Obesity.
change number 2 here. You might want to change it into 1 only, not 2. Sebenarnya 2 juga nggak apa-apa sih, but kita lihat 1 aja. Then you might want to select. What's the answer?
A. Obesity.
Obesity. Then you might want to go down. Go down with. Right. So this one is, the answer is supposed to be endless fatigue, and so on and so forth. Until 10 questions altogether. Okay. Then you might want to go publish. Publish. Right. Then you have already got anyone with a link. Look at this. Anyone with a link already, right? This one. Then you go done. Okay. Then you go publish. Then you copy the shortened URL first. Then you might want to go copy. Then you submit to the Google Classroom. So for example, contoh aja ya. If you have, hold on. Here for example. Nanti kalau saya, hold a second. Hold. And you might want to go, tak bikinin ya sini ya, create, then go quiz assignment, then you might want to quiz 1. Then this one is ungraded, and topic is create topic quiz, for example, quizzes. Then this one, and you go with this one. Okay, then you might want to submit. You might want to submit your work. Hold on, mana tadi? Quizzes. Something then quizzes. Nah, here. You might want to click. Then later on, you might want to submit here. Tapi karena saya yang buat nggak bisa submit ya. Okay, something like that. Okay, you might want to click here, then submit here. Dan nanti yang lain, nanti kan udah muncul di sini. 8-8-nya. Nah, saling mengerjakan. Dikerjakan. Iya kan? Buka punyanya siapa? Risang, kerjakan, and so on, so forth. Okay, does it make sense to you? Say yes.
Yes.
Do you know the process? Yes. Very much simple ya. Jadi, sambil nanti mencatat, it's not necessarily new vocabulary, but it can be composed of interesting vocabulary. Ya? Oke? Nah ya, nanti disubmit ke situ. Nanti ada quiz 1, ada quiz 2, and so on so forth. Biar vocabulary-nya juga nambah. Bukan hanya ilmu komunikasinya aja. Oke? Tapi skills-nya dan language components-nya juga nambah. Oke? Kira-kira gitu. Nah, lanjut aja ke sini. Masih banyak ini. So this one, too busy to be healthy. Now, I want you now to open your Google Classroom and get access to this and try to read by yourself. Try to read by yourself. This is still a persuasive speech. The opening is still a question. Then the strategy of development is supposed to be problem solution. Then the closing is still similar, which is call and quote. Thank you. Nah, coba sendiri lagi. Nanti I want you. Yang selanjutnya nanti Risang. You might want to read ya, Riz. After this. Tapi coba dulu ya, teriak-teriak. Cara ya, Mas Bimo tentunya ini penting ya, Mas. Nanti kalau ada teks semacam ini atau teks bahasa Inggris apapun, coba dibaca sekeras mungkin atau paling tidak mumbling. Mumbling means that the speech organs digerakkan tanpa mengeluarkan suara. Ya kan? Harus. Jadi bibirnya harus digerakkan. baca terus gitu. That way it'll help you improve your English for sure. Ya, Mas Bimo, correct?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Ya, coba sekarang nggak perlu pakai mikrofonnya dimatiin, then you might want to read out loud. Read out loud. So, too busy to be healthy. Nah, you might want to give opening like, ladies and gentlemen, nanti saya kasih itu tipsnya ada. Di buku itu juga ada sebelah belakang. Di belakang-belakang ada. Lengkap sekali itu ekspresinya. Oke, go ahead. Dicoba dulu satu-satu, sendiri-sendiri. Then later on I want you to practice.
Sir, can I ask you a question or maybe ask some tips?
Yes, one more time, please. I'm monitoring.
Yeah. How to be fluent or have an accent like yours? I mean, you sounds like a native speaker, like American accent to me.
No, you're pulling my leg.
Yeah, I have tried to practice, but sometimes I hear myself, and then I
No, your
realize,
English is fine. Your English is absolutely fine. There is no question at all. Your language is more than enough. It's beyond average.
but
It's
it sounds,
beyond average.
but sometimes I feel
Probably
like sounds like Indian people.
who? Me? You?
Me.
No, you're okay. You are above line, I would say. You're above line, above average. But what I want, if you would like to, jadi gini ya,
Mm,
ini semua, I'll switch Indonesia and English Indonesia. Now about the tip. Sebetulnya bahasa Inggris itu yang kalau di spoken language itu asimilasi itu wajib. Jadi speech assimilation itu wajib. Dalam bahasa Inggris tidak berbicara tidak berbicara kata per kata, tapi rangkaian kata. Rangkaian kata. Apa sih maksudnya? Entah ya. Coba nih, Pak. Dibaca coba. Joe, you might want to read this.
Last month, a close friend of mine fainted at
Ya
work.
ini kan ada a close friend of.
Yeah,
Ini bukan of ini.
yeah.
Tapi karena D ketemu off-nya ini kan di Universitas Liam mesti sudah belajar juga.
Yeah, yeah,
Ini kan functional words,
yeah.
bukan content words. Kalau dia functional words, pasti ada lenition namanya, lenition process. Jadi dia dilemahkan. Cara melemahkannya, ini ada O, ini ilmu phonology.
Yeah.
Kalau ada O, dia decentralize jadi SWA.
Swa.
Jadi dia, SWA namanya SWA.
Yeah.
Jadi dia dari yang sifatnya phonemic menjadi phonetics. Aduh, itu apa lagi itu. Tapi gitu ya. Jadi dia jadi bukan off lagi. Ini asimilasi namanya progressive assimilation-nya terjadi. Dia ke depan D-nya. Nah, O-nya dia jadi bukan O lagi, tapi jadi E.
Yeah, yeah.
Jadi a close friend of itu sudah berbeda dengan a close friend of. Nah, itu.
Yeah.
Karena dalam bahasa Inggris tidak ada gitu. A close friend of itu nggak ada. Alright, me
Yes.
and my friend nggak ada. So misalnya, she hadn't eaten, ada sebabnya glottalization itu tidak ada. Mereka pakai asimilasi. Jadi nah, prosesnya macam-macam. Ada sebutnya, ya udahlah. Nanti belajar dengan saya lagi tentang tentang phonetics and phonology. Tapi intinya itu ya.
Swa-swan itu ya sama stress distressnya.
Swa ya. Swa is central sound, a central vowel. Yang dia
Central.
sifatnya dia phonetics, bukan phonemic.
Alright.
Karena ini sebenarnya kan tapi karena namanya lenition apa? Dilemahkan ya.
Yeah.
Lenition. Nah, ya kan? Karena ada lenition jadi ini jadi a friend of mine fainted. And coba baca lagi lah. Last month,
a close friend of mine fainted at work.
friend of mine.
Last month, a close
Ini
friend of
juga ini N sama T kalau American English ada flap namanya.
Ah, ya.
Dia tidak T lagi, tapi ada kalau di phonology mungkin sudah dapat juga. Ini N-nya ini ada apa namanya? Centrangnya atasnya
Iya, iya.
kalau di phonetics itu. Jadi bukan fainted, tapi fainted.
Fainted. Oh,
Fainted
iya, iya.
word. Gitu kan. NT itu kalau di American English dia jadi satu suara tapi wujudnya flat.
Ya.
Seperti 20 bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
20,
Nah, 20 itu bilang sekali lagi.
20.
Ya itu.
Ya.
Itu kan NTY itu,
Iya.
20. Nah, itu NT-nya itu sebenarnya itu di flap itu. So
Hmm.
20 bukan 20 itu.
Iya, iya.
20. Kalau maaf ya, dalam wanita itu PANTY.
Penny.
Penny kan gitu.
Iya, iya, iya.
Ya, itu namanya asimilatif proses. Ini semuanya ada asimilatif proses nih. Nah, contoh misalnya, ada N yang dilenisi, ada lenisi ya, artinya dilemahkan, ada yang tidak, tergantung nanti fungsinya, apakah dia fungsional, functional, atau konten gitu. Ada function, ada konten. Kalau konten nggak boleh dilemahkan. Tapi kalau dia function seperti SMA was word, itu kan function,
Mhm,
bukan konten.
mhm,
Terus ini ada conjunction. Aduh, kemana-mana ya? Nggak apa ya. Ada
mhm.
conjunction. Conjunction itu bukan konten. Dia function. Dia harus dilemahkan. Kira-kira gitu. Nah, ini juga nih. Ada stood up. Kalau stood up bacanya gimana? When? Ya coba. When she?
When she finally stood up.
Nggak. Kalau dia, nah ini juga nih.
Hmm.
Kalau ini ada kata kerja, diikuti seperti preposisi.
Mhm,
Tapi ini karena stood sama up ini sebenarnya bukan verb plus preposition, tapi verb plus particle.
mhm.
Maka bacanya partikelnya yang di stress. Dari stood up, itu bukan stood up, tapi stood up.
Stood up.
Gitu.
When she
Kenapa?
finally stood up.
Nah, karena dia masuk dalam kelompok phrasal verbs.
Ya.
Are you familiar with that?
Yes, yes, yes.
Phrasal verbs. Seperti misalnya eh eh, pakai turn on, hidupkan lampu, ayo.
Turn on.
Ya, turn on the light. Kan begitu, bukan turn on the light, but turn on the light.
Yep,
Kan
yep.
gitu. Ya kan?
Yes.
Kayak gini misalnya. Ada proses asimilatif juga. Bacanya gimana nih?
Enough.
Enough. Ini bukan I tapi enough.
Enough.
Nah, ini
Ya.
juga. Ini kalau diasimilasi jadi apa?
Lemias.
Let me ask. Let me ask. Ya, ASK itu itu ada deletion di sini.
Mhm.
Right? Dia tidak akan munculkannya kecuali disambung dengan ing, for example.
Ya,
So,
ya.
asking. So, let me ask. Cukup. Kayak turis. Cukup.
Yep.
Tidak perlu turis. Enggak ada.
Hmm.
Namanya proses asimilatif. And so on and so forth. Ini banyak kok yang ini.
Mhm.
Bisa? Coba baca Mas Trisang yuk.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, sure.
Oke, Mister.
I'm glad to answer your questions. Good. Bagus tuh.
Oke, Mister.
Pertanyaannya keren. Mas Trisang, yuk. Too busy to be
Ya.
healthy.
Too busy to be healthy.
Awesome.
Last month, a close friend of mine fainted at work. She
Mhm.
hadn't eaten breakfast, skipped lunch, and
Hmm.
only drank coffee to stay awake.
Hmm.
When she finally stood up,
Good.
her body said, "Enough."
Enough. Gitu. Marah kok.
Her body said,
Ah,
"Enough."
marah nih bodinya kira-kira gitu.
Her
Gitu.
body said, "Enough."
Nah, marah. Yuk, terus.
Let me ask,
Let
how
me
many of let me ask, how many of us have done the same thing?
Ya gini
Skip
loh.
meals.
Ya, Mas. Ini yang tadi pertanyaan dari Joe. Ini kalau diasimilasikan, jadi sekali lagi, bahasa Inggris itu bukan kata per kata, tapi stretch by stretch. Ini jadikan satu. How many of us? How many of us? Ini F-nya kan sebenarnya V. F ini dalam pronunciation bukan F, tapi V. V. So, bacanya gimana?
How many of
How
how
many of
many of
us?
us
Wah, us.
pass pass? How many of
F,
us?
F itu ketemu. F itu pronunciation-nya F kalau F-nya double.
How many of us?
Nah, Have done the same thing.
Have done the same thing.
Hmm?
Skip meals.
Meals.
Ignore
Ini
meals.
meals. Huh?
Meals. Skip meals.
Hmm?
Ignores sleep.
Mhm.
And puts through
Through.
exhaustion and
Ini
through.
through.
And put through.
G-nya
And
nggak
put
dibaca.
through.
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 Then
Exhaustion.
exhaust.
Exhaust.
Exhaust ya, bacanya exhaust aja. Exhaustion.
Exhaustion just to finish our task.
Okay.
This is the problem of our generation.
Generation.
Now
we are too busy to stay healthy.
we're too busy to stay healthy.
Mhm.
We treat health
Treat.
as treat.
Jadi ada
Treat.
I tinggi, kalau bahasa
Treat.
Inggris itu ada I tinggi,
Treat.
ada I rendah lah gitu ya. Kalau I yang tinggi emang harus tinggi, ada I gitu ya. We treat.
We treat
Huh?
we treat health as something we'll take care of
We'll
later.
take care of later.
We'll take care of later.
Take care of. Jadi biasakan of
Take
itu
care of.
sebenarnya karena dia itu fungsional, bukan konten, ya, bukan content words tapi function words. Dia ada lain isi, ada pelemahan. Jadi O-nya jadi gitu. Take care of
Take
later.
care of. Take
Itu,
care of later.
but later.
But later often comes too late.
Mhm.
Long working hours,
Hmm.
fast food, and lack of exercise silently lead to obesity.
Ini kalau I itu mesti panjang dia. Lead to obesity.
Lead to obesity.
Obesity.
Obesity,
Heart.
heart
Ini,
disease.
ini kalau kayak gini, ini double consonant tadi. Ada R, kemudian dimatiin, dia mesti panjang. Misalnya,
Heart.
here past tense-nya apa? Kan hurt, panjang dia. Ini juga RT mesti panjang dia, pasti panjang. So heart disease
Heart disease
and
and mental fatigue.
good. So
What's the solution?
right. So
It's
what's
not
the solution? It's not
so-
about changing everything overnight.
Not about changing everything overnight. It's about
Tiny,
tiny,
consistent,
consistent actions.
Mhm.
Start your morning
Mhm.
with 5 minutes of
5
stretching.
minutes stretching.
5 minutes of stretching.
Yeah, 5 minutes stretching gitu.
5 minutes of stretching.
Right. Oke, boleh lah. Bring water.
Bring a water bottle everywhere.
Hmm.
Replace
Right.
one
Nah,
sugary
ini kan
drink.
right. Kan ini kata kerja, dua suku kata toh. Dia pasti stresnya di yang belakang. Sambil belajar ya. Jadi kalau ini kan ini kata kerja replace itu. Ini kan ini syllable pertama, yang ini syllable kedua, yang di stress yang belakang. So replace gitu bacanya.
Replace.
Ya, di depan karena tidak di stress, dia mesti diswakan. Diswakan itu di central vowel kan. Jadi gitu. Replace sugary.
Replace one sugary drink a
Alright.
day with a plain white
Right.
water.
Ini bukan sugar tapi sugar. Sugary
Sugary drink
drink and a day
with plain water.
with plain water. Then go to bed.
Go to bed 30 minutes earlier.
Hmm?
The small acts may seem
Ini kan
simple.
begini. These small acts.
These small acts
Mhm.
may seem simple,
But
they build
hmm,
a foundation
Good.
for lifelong health.
health, as the saying goes.
As the saying goes, if you don't make time for your health,
Hmm.
you'll be forced to make time for your illness.
So
So, let's stop saying, I'm too busy. Instead,
hmm,
let's proudly say,
okay.
I'm busy staying healthy.
Awesome. Bagus. Awesome. Ya. Catat lagi, ada enggak? Ayo, yang kata baru dicatat di Google Doc-nya, kemudian dimasukkan ke ChatGPT, kemudian di develop what is it the quiz. You might want to develop the quiz there. Sebenarnya masih banyak ya. So your tonight projects sebelum tidur, ambil salah satu dari yang sudah ada di sini aja, atau mau bikin sendiri ya silahkan. Mana nih? Nah, ini kan banyak tuh. Yang mana kalau misalnya cocoknya yang pendek-pendek dulu boleh. Kalau mau yang coba yang lebih panjang belakang, silahkan. Ya kan? Yang pakai strategi humor, boleh. Right? Yang pakai benefit and disadvantage strategy, boleh. Mana aja silahkan. The power exercise, or you might want to develop yourself, go ahead. Nanti sebelum tidur, then you might want to send your work, saya akan lihat di sini. Ya, di sini. Sini ya kira-kira gitu ya. Kira-kira di sini. Ya nanti sampainya di sini. Sorry, ini saya bikin blank quiz lagi. Enggak, tapi ya nanti ada di sini. Dia akan muncul di sini. Oke? Nah, does it make sense to you? Yes or no? Do you have any question,
End of
Esok?
lecture. Sorry,
Mhm.
I want ask about assessment maybe.
Antika, go ahead. Yes, what is it?
Iya. About assessmentnya itu ceritanya bebas gitu, Sir, maksudnya. Maybe atau yang dari
Yang video
materi
tagging. Ya
Anda.
udah, video. Oh ya, ini belum saya buat sini ya. Hold on, sebentar.
Nah,
Jadi
public
uploadnya,
speaking, I mean.
kalau video tidak perlu malam ini. Tapi quiz saya minta malam ini gampang. Video probably you might want to create it tomorrow or so, right? Nah, masukkan di sini juga, ya.
Tadi
Video
tugasnya disuruh ngapain ya, Sir?
one. Hold on.
Soalnya tadi terputus-putus karena error jaringannya.
Go ahead. Sebentar.
Hujan.
Sure. Ini juga hujan sama, ya.
Iya.
Video making.
Sorry ya, lecture.
Okay, that's fine. Nah, videonya gini ya. Nanti bikin videonya dari teks yang sudah ada. You might want to create yourself. Ada sample speeches toh. Nih. Ini pilih saja. Kemudian dibaca seolah-olah Anda delivering public speaking to a big audience using a persuasive strategy. Persuasive strategy itu apa yang tadi sudah saya terangkan ya. Jadi ada beberapa cara, pakai problem solution boleh. Yang ini pakai sama problem solution, yang ini hold on. Yang ini cause and effect strategy boleh. Yang ini apa ini? Ini problem solution masih. Ini pakai cause and effect, ini cause and effect, ini benefit disadvantage, ini benefit disadvantage, problem solution, cause effect, and so on and so forth. Oke, mana? Terserah aja mau dipilih yang mana. Kalau mau yang pendek silahkan. Tapi I would suggest kalau yang sudah jago, you might want to use the longer one, and you might want to add the opening right here and also the closing. Jadi simply add the opening. Jadi di atas ini sebelum opening bonding yang ini, misalnya, ladies and gentlemen, tonight I'd like to share a bit about healthy lifestyle. And we will talk about the power of exercise. Okay, are you ready? Then I have a question. How many of you have promised I'll start exercising next Monday? Any of you? Any of you at all? Yeah. And how many Mondays have already passed? I believe that you passed so many Mondays. All right. You know, exercise is one of the best medicines on earth. Free, natural, and of course, powerful. It boosts energy, strengthens the heart, and improves mental health. Just 20 minutes of movement a day can lift your mood and sharpen your focus. But yeah, it can be tiring, sweaty, and time-consuming. Sometimes the bed feels more comfortable than the gym. One more time. The bed feels more comfortable than the gym. Okay. However, the true disadvantage isn't the workout. Not the workout. Not the workout at all. It's the regret of not doing it. Trust me, It's about the regret of not doing it. Gitu loh, nama-namanya dikit loh. So that it'll be communicative. Ya kan? Anyway, you don't need to be extreme, just consistent. Walk, dance, stretch, so whatever makes you move. So let's not wait until our body complains. Start today and let your future self say, thank you for not giving up on me. Gitu. Okay? Can you do that? Can you do it for
Okay.
me? Ya. Okay, you might want to pilih ya. Tapi video ya di depan kamera begitu. Then you might want to submit your video. But video is not necessarily tonight, but I demand a quiz supposed to be tonight. Nanti ngambil dari sini aja kata-katanya, dari yang list ini. Inikah, ambil nanti kira-kira apa. Then I really hope that there will be 10 different vocabulary so that you both learn strategy of communication, also learn new, probably it's not really new, but interesting vocabulary. I think that's it for now. Unless you have any questions at all. Joe, any question you might want to add?
Mister,
No?
Mister, aku mau tanya itu jumlah pertanyaan yang dibuat berapa nanti?
10,
Bebas ya?
10.
Oke, 10. Oke,
Jadi
thank you.
ambil 10 kata baru. It's not necessarily baru, but at least interesting vocabulary. Di gini, satu lagi ya, Joe. Jadi American normally, or native speakers of English normally speak not word by word, but phrase by phrase. Right? Saya ingat betul ketika saya di kampus di Amerika itu, untuk mengatakan leave, dia bilang took off. She took off already. She took off already. Maksudnya apa? Udah pulang dia.
Pulang.
Udah
Balik.
pulang. Right? Kalau ini betul, I live in an American family. Kalau siapa yang bersihin lantai? Siapa yang bersihin jendela? Siapa yang apa tuh bahasa Inggrisnya? Apa tuh? Siapa yang nyapu lantai? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Reform.
Mereka itu sangat suka pakai kata do.
Oh, gitu.
Hey, who does the floor today?
Does.
Does the floor? Who does the window? Who does gitu?
Saya ingat salah satu teman saya yang di Pittsburgh, mereka tuh kalau ngomong probably gitu.
Iya.
Aksen ya beda.
Ya, karena probably kalau orang kita, kalau dihalat memang dia tiga suku kata. Tapi dalam teori fonologi ada proses sinkopi namanya. Jadi ada proses sinkopi yang 3 menjadi 2. Contoh, kamera bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Apa?
Kamera.
Nah, bukan. Kamera bahasa Inggrisnya ngomongnya gimana? Ayo, siapa yang tahu?
Masih.
Ayo. Gini, camera. Right?
Ya.
Kalau laboratorium bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Laboratory.
Kan laboratorium. 6 suku kata. Jadi berapa nanti coba?
Laboratory.
Ya, laboratori bukan.
Iya.
So, jadi laboratori masih terlalu banyak. Dia bilang laboratory.
Oh, laboratory.
Laboratory.
Oh,
Yes, laboratory. Kalau extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
Apa?
Extraordinary.
Ya, bukan. Extraordinary. Extraordinary.
Oh.
Jadi 4 suku kata. Extraordinary. Dari extraordinary. Jadi 6 jadi 4. Kalau coklat bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Chocolate.
Kan chocolate gitu ya. Jadi chocolate. Banyak kayak gitu.
Iya,
Itu
betul,
namanya syncope process.
Okay.
Probably the first time you hear about the process. Anyway, thank you very much. I'll take a picture of yours. Thank you. Give big smile, your big smile. Sofia Antika, please. I demand your big smile. Risang, please. I love your background. Thank you very much. Antika, can you please be on cam? I cannot be on cam simply because, my camera doesn't work properly. Antika, are you monitoring? Ya sudah. Okay, hold on. So thank you very much for joining. Then I'll see you. Sylvia, are you coming to me again? Tomorrow, no?
If God wishes.
Are you visiting me? No?
Maybe next week.
Next week.
Sir.
Okay, fine. Mas Afsal, thank you, Mas, ya. Rima, Antika, Mas Bimo, then Risang, thank you. Have a good night and stay safe, stay healthy, stay handsome, and stay beautiful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Thank you,
So much. See you next
Thank
week.
you,
Stay healthy.
Mr.
See you next time. Bye.